morning and welcome from Flums. Another day, another trip. Now we're going to walk the mountains and we're going to find ourselves in Mels. Walking through the outskirts of Flums and hoping that we'll hit the mountains soon. So, now climbing our way up the mountain ridge, which is hard work. Should be around 1 or 2 kilometers, but sincerely hope it will be shorter. But great weather, great company, so really great trip so far.
Hey, we move! Kom maar, kom!
The way is still up. Quite spectacular.
This is a view from the village of Wortel.
We are now at 900 meters, and I would be lying if I say I wouldn't find it quite heavy. 900 meters, that basically means that we climbed around 500 meters so far, another 200 to go. So heavy, that's the word I would use.
First snow on the path, and Paddy makes good use of it.
So we're now in Eck, 965 meters, another 130 or so to go.
The last meters to the highest point, fortunately enough, paved road. Or not. And here's where we climbed our way up.
So here walking through a snowfield, which is quite heavy, I can tell you. No sticks, no spikes, a little bit stupid. Should come better prepared next time. But the weather is beautiful, the nature is fantastic, so live and learn and adopting a growth mindset. It goes too heavy. I think we're going to go back. It's hard to do this for yeah, let's say around 8 or 10 kilometers, so I think we'll go on our way back. Now it's a real pity, but it's too difficult to traverse through the snow. About every 3 steps we take, our feet are sinking 20 to 30 centimeters in the snow. It's a real pity. It's a beautiful trip so far, but I'll have to come back here if the circumstances are a little bit better. So greetings from Cafroa Wisen, 1195 meters. I hope to be on this point soon, and with slightly less snow, but hopefully enough sun. Thanks for walking with me.